In this tutorial we will see that how you can upload music on Spotify. So let's dive right in. So if you are trying to upload music on Spotify, there will be two things. The first one is you are an artist and you are trying to upload your own music on Spotify. And for that method, open Google and search for Spotify for Artists. Search for it and here you will get the official website of Spotify. Open it and scroll it down. You will see a ton of information here. Scroll it down until you see that Get Started button. Click on it and it will show you these 4 steps to upload your own music on Spotify. You can simply start with choosing your distributor. And for the second method, if you are trying to upload music from your gallery or file manager, what you can do is open Spotify and on right upper side you will see here this profile picture. Click on it and it will open up these sum of options. Open settings from here and scroll it down. Here you will see this show local files. Turn it on and here you will get another option, show songs from. On these two options from downloads and music library. But if you want to add a source or add a folder to this Spotify, click on that add a source and select your music folder from here. Like I select this one, click OK. And now it will show you this folder on your left side of local files. If you open it, you can see here these all tracks and now you can play these musics from Spotify. So that's how you can upload music to Spotify in just few steps.